Okay, a quick demonstration on how to use an Astra screw. These are special composition metal screws with a special head. So, simple, normal drill, piece of wood. Change the bit. Add the wood. Oh, need more power. Lewis is doing his best, but it's first time on camera.
Y hace la prueba como que gira y todo eso.
Sigue ahí, sigue ahí.
Ah, espérate, saca. Espérate.
Conches,
This new screw is special because have special threads for concrete. Okay, I practice in the wall how it works. I already make the hole for this kind of screw, and now I use it. Perfect. Okay. No need wood. Direct to the concrete. After.
So that was the end. We've just done a commercial for the Astra screw. A special composition screw with a special head, and you don't need the raw plugs. You can just go bzz, straight into concrete. Fantastic design and Astra. So I'm Paul Jolley. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel because I'm awesome. Why not? Take it easy, guys.